Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Reonomy for beginners. Reonomy is a tool for people interested in commercial real estate. It helps you find information about buildings, land, and business properties. Many real estate agents and investors use it. If you are just starting out, Reonomy is easy to learn. One of the main features is the search tool. You can look up properties across the United States. You can search by city, address, size, and more. Filters help you narrow your search to find exactly what you need. Reonomy also shows who owns the property. You get contact details like phone numbers or emails. This is useful if you want to buy a property or make a business deal. Beginners can easily use this to reach out to owners. Other great feature is the sales and debt history. You can see how much a property sold for in the past. You can also check if there is a mortgage or a loan. This helps you understand the value of property better. The platform is easy to use. The dashboard is clean and simple. You can save properties, add notes, and get alerts if something changes. This is helpful for beginners who want to stay organized. Reonomy is not free. You need to pay for a plan. This might not be ideal for everyone, but if you are serious about real estate, the data can be very helpful. It works best on a computer, but it also works on tablets. This means you can check your searches from anywhere. In short, Reonomy is a great tool for people new to commercial real estate. It helps you search, learn, and connect. It saves time and gives you details you need to get started. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.